The Department of Health, or DOH, confirms a third case of novel coronavirus in the Philippines, Wednesday, February 5.
First of all, the DOH confirms that a sample from a 60-year-old female Chinese patient under investigation tested positive for the novel coronavirus or 2019 nCoV. She is the third confirmed 2019 nCoV acute respiratory disease case in our country.
Health Undersecretary Eric Domingo says several samples were taken from the patient on January 23 and January 24. The samples from January 24 were sent to the Victorian Infectious Disease Reference Laboratory in Australia and the Research Institute for Tropical Medicine, or RITM. The test results were sent back on January 29 and January 30, and both came out negative. Because of this, the woman was discharged from the hospital and was allowed to travel back to China on January 31. But the RITM later ran tests on the sample taken from the woman on January 23. The samples were positive. Domingo says this shows the woman was able to mount immunity against the virus by the time the January 24 samples were taken. The DOH also says it is now probing a total of 133 patients for novel coronavirus. Meanwhile, Filipinos repatriated from China will arrive in the Philippines on Saturday, February 8. Presidential spokesman Salvador Panelo confirms Filipinos from China will be brought straight to Fort Magsaysay in Nueva Ecija, where they would undergo the mandatory 14-day quarantine. Globally, the novel coronavirus has killed 492 and infected 23,900 individuals.